GMT in every practical sense rose 36.35% in 7 days, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bull control GMTs for the most part current cost activities, which certainly is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn truly is drifting at $346,717,663, which truly is genuinely huge. Current stepn cost generally is $0.2911 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these as often as possible, generally gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is transient cost expectation for stepn. Fundamentally is GMT an especially wise speculation, or so they most certainly thought. STPN support and opposition levels and so forth in a genuinely significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the GMT specialized investigation, truly let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,410,776,640,034, which especially is genuinely huge. The very complete exchanging volume really remains at $65,076,358,619, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. Which truly is very huge. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, showing that stepn support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, so the by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $65,076,358,619, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, so which really brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, exhibiting that stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents, so GMT essentially rose 36.35% in 7 days, which really is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions truly show that the market in a real sense is going in an all things considered, descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, certainly let us really discuss the truly current economic situations, which all things considered, is very huge. Right now, an especially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. STPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers truly become substantially more certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a very huge manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers for the most part move really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of STPN, GMT, STPN execution. The cost of STPN, GMT, in every practical sense, is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week. Fundamentally further appearance how following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, generally is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, which sort of is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while in every way that really matters, all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become all things considered, all the more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. There sort of are very nearly 1,104,192,453 essentially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, exhibiting how there generally are right around 1,104,192,453 truly are available for use out of 5,566,425,803 in a for the most part significant manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 11 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time period, truly made sense of underneath, in a kind of huge manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including really basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to for the most part dissect the future development of the STEPN. Showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, exhibiting that step support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 37, so step support and opposition levels, and so on in an exceptionally enormous manner. While GMT's Williams %R pointer especially is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, pretty sign really is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the GMT specialized investigation, by and large, let us fundamentally discuss the for the most part current economic situations. Which for the most part is very critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, which truly shows that while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, so which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,000.